And finally, let's make one row with seed beads 15ths. So tubular peyote stitch with size 15. I told you before that you can do decreasing in peyote stitch in a way that in one row you with one bead pass through two beads at once, then in the next row on that place you put one bead, and then the third row you just do peyote stitch around. So it's just opposite from increasing what you were doing in this lesson or during you were making this ring. Just opposite. So we had 2 1 peyote, and now you will have 2 1 peyote but in opposite direction, and that is how you're going to get decreasing. The second way to make decreasing in your work is to just transit from bigger size of beads to smaller size of beads. So we were working with size 11, but now we are in a way shrinking our shape using size 15. So that is those are two ways how you can do decreasing. Of course, at the end of this row you are going to step up as at the end of every row what we had till now. Pull the thread tight. Each time you add a new bead, pull those beads and pull them over the back of the cap. And soon we are coming to our step up. This is the last bead. Pick up that last bead and step up at the end of the row. So you will exit through the first added 15 in this row. Now pull those beads, correct a little bit your work, pull them over the cap, and then this is on the front what we have now, and on the back we have possibility, and let's make another row with 15s. So just make one more row with 15s. So I made one more row with 15s around. It is more than enough, so I already secured and cut my thread. What I want to show you, this is from the front, so the ring is finished. The ring is finished, it's beautiful. What I want to show you is a difference between making this ring with Miyuki Delica beads and with the seed beads, what we did, round seed beads. So I have when you do it with the Delica beads, you will see those beads on the corners a little bit more, but they kind of pop up in your work, and the whole shape looks more squarey. With the round seed beads, the corners are more neat, more rounded. So this is the difference. You can see that you can in a way see those corners when you work with Delica beads, and with the round seed beads you almost don't see any corner. It's just more a rounded shape. When you work with the size 15s and try to make this ring with size 15s, you will have even more rounded shape than in with the Miyuki Delica beads. That is going to be even more beautiful. So as you know, when you start the Miyuki Delica beads are cylinder beads, and they are smaller. They are 1.8 millimeters, and by them you will need more rows as you see here on the corners, more rows than with seed beads 11, of course. So you will have more rows with delica beads and more rows with seed beads 15s on the back. And here you have less rows on the corner and less on the back of the ring. If you are making this ring with 15s, you will need to make more rows on both sides. On the front, you will have more increasing cycles, and on the back you will probably need more, maybe even 2 rows on the back of the ring to finish it. Play with the colors, play with the size of the beads, and you can put some crystals. You can find some tutorials on my website. That's it. Your ring is finished. Enjoy, and see you in the next lesson.